Hello, I'm Miko. Many people are making face masks for friends and family these days. It's very important that the mask fits properly to be effective and comfortable. However, it is hard to know how long the elastic should be cut to fit each person. I realized that the straps need to be adjustable, so I came up with this solution. Today, I'd like to show you how to make adjustable elastic straps that can be used for many types of cloth face masks. Here's what you need. 5mm braided elastic cut into two 10-inch strips and two 1.5-inch strips. 4 6mm stainless steel jump rings. Also, a pair of tweezers. For this tutorial, I use 5mm elastic and 6mm jump rings. If you are using 6mm elastic, you can use 7mm jump rings. First, I'd like to work with a short piece of elastic. Put the tweezers through a ring and pull the elastic through. Fold the short elastic in half, like this, and sew it to the bottom of the mask. Make sure to place the two ends of the short elastic side by side, not on top of each other. Next, I sew a long elastic to the top of the mask. Then, put the tweezers through a ring and pull the long elastic through. Then put the tweezers through the ring attached to the short elastic and pull the long elastic through. Now I flip the mask upside down and put the tweezers through the ring already attached to the long elastic, and then pull the loose end of the long elastic through. Finish the loose end of the long elastic by tying a knot. Okay, now we have finished one side. Please repeat the same process on the other side of the mask. Here is the finished mask. To adjust the elastic, hold this part of the mask and pull the end of the elastic to tighten. And to loosen, pull this side of the elastic like this. Due to the shortage of materials, I was not able to experiment with different size elastic and jump rings. This type of adjustable strap may not work if the elastic is too stretchy. Also, I can only recommend using stainless steel jump rings because other materials might not be sturdy enough. I hope this adjustable elastic strap will work well for your face masks. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay healthy.